If you want healthier, more attractive hair, this is the complete 1-minute guide for you. First, stop washing your hair with very hot water. It dries out your scalp and makes your hair look lifeless. Use warm or cold water instead. Second, shampoo is not meant for your entire hair. Focus on the scalp. Conditioner should go on the length of your hair, never on the roots. Third, don't wash your hair all the time. Depending on your hair type, 2 to 4 times a week is usually enough. Washing it too often can make it even oilier. Fourth, trim your hair regularly. Even if you're trying to grow it out, trimming the ends keeps it looking cleaner and healthier. Fifth, take care of your diet. Your hair reflects what you eat. Water, protein, fruits, and good sleep make a bigger difference than expensive products. And finally, find a haircut that matches your face shape. Sometimes the problem isn't your hair, it's just the wrong haircut. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And check out the next video to end the daily habits that are destroying your testosterone.